In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to negotiate and get cars for cheap on Facebook Marketplace. First, let's dive directly into navigating the platform. Start by opening Facebook on your device. If you're not familiar with where to go next, find and click on See More in the side menu, which conveniently expands your options. From there, select Marketplace to enter the treasure trove of local listings. This is your gateway to finding the perfect car deal. Once on Marketplace, use the search bar to type in the kind of car you're interested in. It helps to be specific about the make, model, or type, such as an SUV or sedan. This will filter the listings so you don't have to sift through irrelevant posts. To refine your options even further, click on Date Listed and choose Last 30 days. Why? Because it ensures the car listings are current and unsold for an extended period, indicating potential room for negotiation as sellers become more motivated to offload their inventory quickly. After you've found a car that meets your needs and budget, the next crucial step is to initiate a conversation with the seller. When you contact them, lead with something engaging. "Hi, I'm interested in your car model. When's a good time to see it?" This expresses genuine interest. Avoid generic inquiries like, "Is this still available?" which often gets overlooked. Making a personable approach can set you apart from other potential buyers. Before you make any offers, it's essential to do your homework. Utilize resources like the Kelley Blue Book to understand the fair market value for the car you have your eye on. Compare it with other similar listings on Marketplace. If you find that the listing is overpriced, you can use this as leverage in your negotiations. Look out for motivated sellers to potentially get better deals. Ads with terms like "need gone," "must sell," or "as is" can signal urgency. Sellers with cars listed for over 30 days or having reposted listings might be keen to close the deal swiftly. When setting a price negotiation strategy, start lower than what you're actually willing to pay. Identify any flaws such as minor dents or high mileage, and use these logically in your argument to lower the price. Be polite and suggest, "I really like the car, but considering it needs repairs, I can do your offer." Timing is also key. Consider doing your negotiations towards the end of the month when financial pressures might prompt sellers to be more flexible, or choose a rainy day when fewer buyers might be browsing. Always verify the paperwork to ensure legitimacy, matching the title and registration against the seller's details. And remember, be ready to walk away. You hold negotiating power, and sometimes stepping back can bring a seller back with a better offer. Having several options lined up also keeps you from becoming too attached to one deal. To wrap things up, here's a quick script example for your next negotiation. "Hey, I saw your car model. I like it, but it looks like it'll need new tires and registration soon. I could do $3,000 cash today. Would that work for you?" By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to scoring an excellent deal on Facebook Marketplace. Happy negotiating!